Pinterest marketing for digital products, the strategy most beginners ignore in 2026. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you Pinterest marketing for digital products, the strategy most beginners ignore in 2026. First, open your Shopify dashboard. You are on the home page. On the left side menu, click Products. This is where you manage the digital products you want to promote using Pinterest marketing. Before creating Pinterest content, make sure your digital product is ready. Your product should have a clear title, price, and description, so visitors understand what they are buying when they land on your store. One strategy many beginners ignore is using Pinterest as a search platform, not just a social media app. People go to Pinterest to find ideas, solutions, and products. That means your content should focus on helping users solve a problem. Next, create Pinterest pins connected to your digital product. Each pin should have a simple design, strong title, and helpful message. Instead of posting random images, create pins that answer questions or give useful tips related to your product. You can also improve results by using keyword-based titles and descriptions. This helps your pins appear in Pinterest search results and reach people who are already interested in your topic. After creating content, link your pins directly to your Shopify product page. This gives visitors a fast and easy way to learn more and make a purchase. Stay consistent and post regularly. Organic Pinterest traffic usually grows over time, so patience and quality content are very important. Example: pin title, 5 content planning hacks for small businesses, linked product, social media content planner bundle. Tip: create multiple Pinterest pins for one digital product, instead of relying on only one design.